I'm going to be doing a half unboxing because one of the items my girls and I have already used, but one of them we haven't, so I'm going to show you what I ordered. This order came in from Beachwaver, and we got 2 hot tools, and then one of them was actually a set, so I'll show you the extras that came with that one. So my oldest could not wait to bust into the Beachwaver 1 1/4 inch. And so I'm gonna take them here for you so you guys can check out their content if you haven't seen Beachwaver. But what it is, it's supposed to give you this effortless beach wave with minimal effort. So there is this teeny tiny clip that you'll put the end of your hair in, and then you, depending if you want your curls to go back or forward, you're just going to push this button and then it winds up your hair, and then you just do the regular kind of takeout. So this is the 1 1/4 inch, and I feel like for my length of hair, I should have potentially have gone for the 1 inch. They even have a 3/4 inch, which is awesome for tighter curls or if you have really short hair. But both of my girls have longer hair than I do, and this was meant for them because they were psyched about it. And they have completely got the hang of it. I'm still learning, so I'm wondering if you guys have any tips for me. Let me know. But the clip is super small, so I'm just, it's getting used to getting it in this little tiny clip. But the curl reminds me of a wand. You know, the ones without a clip at all that you'd wind your hair around. That's what this, I think, gives you the look of. And there's no clip crease on your hair because it's just the very end of your hair that's in the clip. So I've used it today. This was my first go at it, and not mad at it at all. And the longer your hair, obviously the more curl you'll get. But this is the pink 1.25. So now I'm going to unbox the second hot tool, and it is the 3 Beachwaver. So a triple barrel, their packaging is so cute. A triple barrel hot tool. And this one, I have my original, but the barrels on it are really tight. So you're getting, you guys remember in the 90s, we were all about that. Really, it's like the crunchy hair. It was almost like a crimp. It was so tight. And then I purchased one, I don't know, this past year, but all the barrels are quite big and they're all the same size, and it just didn't give me the exact look that I was wanting. So this one is kind of an in-between. This one is smaller than the newer one that I bought, but bigger than the OG that I have. So very cool. This one obviously does not wind up your hair. You're going to use it like a typical pick up a section and then work your way down the hair. So I'm excited to try this. I've actually been loving doing a little bit of, well, last summer I was loving it because I feel like it's beach hair. And I actually have been itching to try it again. So I am going to try it next time I do it with this one. So a triple barrel mixed in with a curl. So it's not so perfectly waved. It's kind of mixed in, more tousled looking with a curl plus the triple waver texture. So that's what I got from Beachwaver. I will say, these are more popular than I thought. The Canadian site has trouble keeping stock in. A heads up on that. They do have some right now. So it's beachwaver.ca, I think. And the American site has way more options. So I actually got, I think it was this one, and then it came with a set. So I got a hairspray and a comb as well, but only on the US site. I have not tried out the hairspray. So let's give it a shot. Oh, this is kind of a cool top. There's no cap. I like that. Ooh, smells good. Kind of florally. And it's supposed to be, this is a Major Moment strong hairspray. Oh, but it's not sticky. And it's not crunchy. I like it. Well, you can feel there's a little bit, yeah, there's hold there, but it's not crunchy. I like it. So those are the items that I got from Beachwaver. I am, yeah, for my first try, I am definitely not mad at it. I'm considering maybe getting the 1 inch, but we'll see. So if you have this style Beachwaver, hit me up with your tips and tricks. There is definitely a learning curve. It took me longer to curl my hair than it normally would with a traditional curling iron, just because that's what I'm used to. And I think once I figure it out, I think I'll get probably a better curl, and then it won't take me as long either. But to help me speed up this process, let me know if you have any tips or tricks.